Let's create an easy heart stencil using the round arranging tool. Let's start with the round arranging tool and begin drawing. As we click on various points, we can see two sets of lines. One is the guide, and the other is the actual line in the design. Now, using the Reshape tool, we'll fine-tune this line. Next, we'll simply duplicate the line so we don't have to redraw it. Then, click Flip Horizontal. As we move the second line, we need to deselect the Snap to Grid tool, and we can line it up nicely. Now, since we're going to create an interlocking pattern, we're going to move some of these anchor points so the pattern is seamless. Let's go to the Effects menu and click Round Arranger. And we'll play with these settings to get it to look just how we want. Let's try a size of 4. As we adjust these settings, we can see the ends of the lines getting closer to matching up. Once we get it to where we want it, click OK. And there's our stencil.